Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, I'm going to show you a very simple trick how you can increase the size of your tables on Google Docs. So let us get started right away and guide you through this. So head over to a document on Google Docs. And as you can see guys, I added a table like this one here for the sake of this tutorial. So what you want to do guys is, for instance, start by making your table longer. To do that, left click and hold your left mouse on the lower edge of or lower border of your table and simply drag it down like that to make it longer. And what you want to do after that is click into one of these columns or cells here with your right mouse and select first distribute rows and do the same with right click distribute columns, and that is going to apply in that size to all cells. As you can see, the entire table has become significantly bigger. And that's how you do it guys. That's the trick. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.